Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy the Ethereum Meta on your Trust wallets. And once you've logged on to coinmarketcap.com, link in the description of the video, you're met with the notice that says price displayed for Ethereum Meta represents an aggregate across all Ethereum Meta trading pairs, which does involve its Ethereum trading pair, Binance trading pair, Avalanche, and Polygon networks all alike. And that means the price is the same everywhere. So what you're going to do, you're simply going to scroll down till you get to its about. And once at the about, you're met with its Ethereum contract address. But for the sake of this video, we're only working with its Binance address, its Binance Smart Chain. So you simply click on this, click on copy. And once you've copied its contract address, you minimize, open up your Trust wallet. And with Trust wallet opened up, make sure you've got BNB or any BEP20 coin available for swapping. Click on your browser, proceed to click on Pancake Swap. Once Pancake Swap is opened up, click on the top right corner of the screen, the three dotted icon there, click on that, click on Ethereum, and in its place, you click on Smart Chain. That's the BNB Smart Chain. Once you've done that, in the place of Wakanda Inu, you're going to be using our BUSD, which we have. So you click on BUSD, and in the place of the Evergrow coin, you're going to be pasting the contract address we just copied, which is for the Ethereum Meta. Click on Import. Click on I understand, click on Import again. Now we're going to be trading off 50% of our BUSD in exchange for some of the Ethereum Meta, which is also 0.75. Simply click on Swap, click on Confirm Swap. A smart contract call pulls in for a gas fee of about 0.19 cents. Click on Approve. And boom, it's done. Add Ethereum Meta to wallet, click on OK. Close this panel, head over to the wallet section, reload. If it doesn't show up, you simply use the toggle at the top right corner of the screen to simply search for ETHM, Ethereum Meta, and here it is, the Ethereum Meta directly deposited on our wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can buy the Ethereum Meta on our Trust wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.